just opened. Oh my gosh, Noreen. Look how good it looks. And it matches our shirts.
I know, just in case anyone is missing that.
Yeah, we don't normally dress alike. Oh, this is so exciting. Oh man.
And like the blurbs, I haven't seen them all together like this yet.
This is really, really great. Oh, I hope people love it as much as we do, truly, because we put our hearts and souls into this. And I know there are things we already are like, for the next edition, we want to change, but oh, this looks so good. Man, everyone at Norton did such a good job.
I
Thank
know,
you.
the design is gorgeous. I'm looking at the worksheets right now. These are fabulous.
What page are you on?
It's the appendix B. All these educators.
Let's just start at the beginning. Let's just start from word 1, just reading to everyone. It's actually going to be a longer video than we anticipated. Oh yeah, these look really good. Oh.
And the fact that we have these amazing like blurbs from such incredible people.
I can't. I know. Thank you, Bill. Thank you, Hassan. Thank you, Carla. Oh my gosh.
Thank you, Bree.
What?
Here too? Yeah.
Stop it.
Uh-huh.
What?
They will never know exactly how much we were squealing and crying when we first read these blurbs.
It's so true. Oh man. Yay.
Awesome. Oh, and there are our babies and Yuri's words. All right, y'all. I hope you enjoy this book. It's the book that we had been looking for and we couldn't find it, so then we just wrote it. Yeah.
During a pandemic when we had a lot of pent up energy and time. So thank you.